Merlin here. Well, it's a beautiful day here in Florida, and it's that time. It's time to figure out what it's going to take to remove the thrust duct. We definitely see there's some rivets to drill out. Need to take the rudders off. Have to see what all is going to be involved to do that. But shouldn't be too much of an issue. I'm kind of wondering about that. But anyway, that's our next step, is removing the thrust duct. Once we remove the thrust duct, we should be ready to drill out all the rivets and split the hull. And as you can see, there's a lot of dirt I need to clean up. But there's a lot of rivets. They go all the way through to the bracket that holds the skirt on. So that's our next mission. Anyway, we've got the hovercraft on some little Harbor Freight furniture dollies with some 4x4 screwed onto them, so we can now move the thing around. And that should make it a little easier to work on. I'm going to roll the engine hoist out from over the top of it and see what we can do. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.